So for this week's Tip and Trick Tuesday, I figured it was fitting to go through one of the new features on the newly launched S9 and S9 Plus. This is one of the more controversial features. It's called AR Emoji. And if you aren't familiar, AR Emoji are Samsung's version of the iPhone X's Animoji. Instead of being a 3D version of an emoji, though, you're more a cartoony version of yourself. Now, in addition to that, they have an agreement with Disney, they said, which will allow you to also be Disney characters. But more and more of those will probably come in the future. Okay, so the way you set this up is actually kind of impressive. So let's start with that. Okay, so first open the camera and switch to the front camera by tapping the camera swap icon at the bottom right. Then you can either swipe over to or tap AR Emoji at the top above the viewfinder, and then tap on the face symbol at the bottom and tap Create Emoji. It'll ask you to remove your glasses and clear away your hair and basically center your head inside the circle while smiling with your lips closed. From there, it'll scan and ask you if you were a male or female, and then you can just hit OK. Now, it'll try and give you a good starting point, and then you can customize the face style between two options at the moment: hairstyle and color, glasses or no glasses, outfits from a few different ones, which I imagine more and more of these will come as time goes on. After that, you'll see your AR emoji saved below the viewfinder. You can actually tap Create Emoji again to create more, and they'll appear here as well. And one fun idea might be like create some for your friends so that you can then just send them their own face making ridiculous looks. And then at this point, it'll automatically save 18 GIFs of your AR emoji into the sticker section of the Samsung messaging app that you can get to by tapping the sticker icon at the right end of the text field, and you can send it to people that way. Otherwise, you can tap on the AR emoji that you want to use in the camera app, and you can either make your face and then tap the shutter button to take a photo to send to someone, or you could tap the record button to begin recording a video, and then you can send them that. And now, unlike Animoji, there's no time limit for these. You can also tap pause and pause again to pause and resume, and it'll stitch all of it into one video. Besides your own AR emoji, you can also tap the icon next to the face and get 3D characters to choose from, as well as some hats and glasses. Tapping on the cartoon face next to that will give you more filters that are 2D, and they react to you blinking, opening your mouth, etc. After that, we have frames that you can add to your selfie. And finally, we have stickers that you can add and drag around on the image to wherever you want. Also, if you tap the gear icon, you can reorder the different modes as you see fit. And if you tap the plus symbol, you can head to the Galaxy store to get more free or paid stickers. And there you go, guys. That's all there is to it. Let me know what you guys think of AR emoji or this video in the comments below. Do you think they're creepy? How did yours come out? If you want to actually post it to social and tag me in it, I'd love to see it. But otherwise, if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also, head over to my channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe. As always, though, regardless, thanks for watching.